something personal from my journal that I never read to anyone. And, well, I've let some people read some pages, but... yeah, okay. Trying to open up to my family is like trying to find treasures hidden from 1,000 years ago. I wake up every morning to an everyday, average day. Only that some days I look more forward to. I hate not having an opinion on what goes around me or I say. If everyone else does, I should too. If there's an opinion or discussion, I think I deserve to be listened to or not interrupted. My family is pretty tight. We all talk to each other about anything. But when it comes down to acknowledging each other's feelings and thoughts, I'm not sure we do that. I walk around my house thinking, wondering, confused, worried. I wonder if anyone notices. Do I show anything in my face expressions? Everyone can fake a smile, but that can only go on for so long. And when that smile goes away, is that when everyone notices and starts wondering? Even if they ask, I feel like I don't have the ability to open up or explain. I don't think it's easy to say every thought that's running through my mind. When I speak, I feel like I'm taking as a joke, like if they're thinking, no big deal, it'll blow up and go away. Maybe they're right for something, but if they care enough, they should worry about everything I mentioned. It's the thought that matters. From what I remember, there was only one time my mother actually asked me if there's something wrong. But even then, she only asked because something had gone wrong. Don't get me wrong again, I love my family. I'm sure they love me, but maybe that isn't enough. We can always look past each other's mistakes, and why does it never occur to others that they are to blame for my mistakes? Not all, but some. So much stress brings me to a corrupt action. I should think of my consequences, but if I get in trouble, someone must listen. I'd rather everyone stay quiet if they honestly don't care, because I'd rather hurt over the truth than smile over their lies. Trying to open up to my family is like trying to find treasure hidden from 1,000 years ago.